Okay, so we're preparing a base for a log cabin. This is 3 meters by 5 meters, so 16 foot by 10 foot. And we're going to find our levels first and make the area flat. I've dug it all over. It's very compacted, which is good. And I've used a line system and a water level, which is just simply one of these, and it finds a level. And then I've gone around after that point and I've just checked the levels with a good old long plank and a spirit level, just to see if I'm on the right track. It's stage 1, but this is important. Find your levels, get a good base, and then we'll move on to the next. Okay, so the next level is a sub-base type 1, and we'll spread this quite thin, but we'll get it nice and firm. And just like that, the base is down. It's all been raked over, and I've again checked my levels just to make sure I'm square. It's not perfect by any means, but the levels around the sides are, and once the cabin's down, it will put pressure on. So the next thing to do is optional, but we'll put the weed-proof membrane down and then the plastic shed bases. Now it's a good idea to have the outward facing pegs to the edge and to the middle, and it just makes it easier to lay on top and then step into place, and that's all we need. Okay, so the easiest way I've found to do this is to do them in rows. And then clip the rows together. And guys, as easy as that, a shed base is born. Nice and simple to do. These are sturdy, it'll hold the weight and it'll level down itself as the cabin comes on. Easy to click in. It's a fantastic build, very simple, but do it right, take your time, and it will reward you. As for filling it with pea gravel, I may do the edges. I'm just going to put the timbers straight on as it is and see how it goes. Around the edge I may gravel, but we'll see.